In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine videos in Clipchamp step by step, even if you've never edited a video before. This is perfect if you're working on YouTube videos, social media content, presentations, or any kind of personal project and you want to merge multiple clips into one clean, professional-looking video. Clipchamp is beginner-friendly, works directly in your browser or app, and doesn't require any advanced editing skills. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, click on the button to create a new video. This will open a fresh project and take you into the Clipchamp editing workspace. On the left side, you'll see the media panel. This is where you import all the video clips you want to combine. Click on Import Media and upload the videos from your computer or drag and drop your files directly into Clipchamp. After your clips finish uploading, they'll appear in your media library. Now comes the main part where you combine the videos. Take your first clip and drag it down onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Then grab the second clip and place it right next to the first one on the timeline. Make sure there's no gap between them unless you want to pause. Repeat this process for all the clips you want to combine, placing them side by side in the exact order you want them to appear in the final video. Once your clips are arranged, you can fine-tune them. Click on any clip in the timeline to trim unwanted parts. You can drag the edges of the clip inward to cut out the beginning or ending sections you don't need. This is useful for removing mistakes, long pauses, or unnecessary footage. Play back the timeline to make sure everything flows smoothly from one clip to the next. If you want your video to feel more polished, you can add transitions between clips. To do this, go to the Transitions tab, choose a transition you like, and drag it between two clips on the timeline. Keep transitions simple and subtle for a professional look. You can adjust the duration of the transition if needed so it doesn't feel too fast or too slow. At this point, your videos are fully combined into one project. Before exporting, do a final preview by pressing play and watching the entire video from start to finish. Double-check the order, timing, and any trims you made. If everything looks good, click on the Export button in the top right corner. Choose the video resolution you want, such as 1080p for high quality, and then wait for Clipchamp to render your video. Once the export is finished, your combined video will download to your device, ready to upload or share anywhere you like. And that's it. You've successfully combined videos in Clipchamp using a simple, beginner-friendly process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.